Hi, hey there everybody. Today is Thursday, the 29th day of June 2023, and it is about just before 11 o'clock in the morning. And you can see here, I'm doing a Central Park video here, but this time it's not ground, which was my last video, but I'm going to do an aerial. I want to show you some of this park from the air. So let's go ahead and let's just fly a little bit, see what we can do here, and see what I can show you. Just take us a nice smooth flight, get up past these lights here, and what I want to do is turn this a little bit. I want you to see that flag out there in the distance. That's not in the park, that's actually across the road. But I just want you to see that one first of all. And then we're just going to turn. And we're going to fly back down this way, and I'll even drop the gimbal a little bit. It's quite windy today, so hope my voice recorder, I just changed the batteries in it last night, so hopefully it's still working and doing well. But what I want to do now, just showing you some of the grounds of the park, and I want to get over here. You see that flag right there? Alright, what I'm going to do is drop my gimbal a little bit more. And now I'm going to go ahead and set this up for an orbit. So we'll orbit that and get a good look, okay? Alright, we're trying a so-called fadeaway or selfie, as it is. We'll see if that works, because for some reason the orbit will not work on that flag. But it seems to be doing this at least. So that's good. So at least I got that. So that's... And alright, so now that we got the flag, let's fly over this way and just take a look at the ponds, if we can. See what they offer. Yeah, so this is giving us a good look at both of them. That's perfectly fine. Alright, and you can see how woodsy it is here. Alright, now over here is the splash area. So we'll go and check out a little bit of that. So we'll just do a quick little fly over. Alright, so that's about good enough for that. I'll show you some of these baseball fields here. Get a good look at those. Alright, so there we've done that. Alright, we'll just show you the fountain here. And then I'm going to show you the sailfish over here, swordfish, or whichever he is. How do you think of that? Isn't that pretty cool? I think it is. Let me just go down here, get you a full shot of him. I'll go back just a hair. A little bit. Okay. And there we go. There's a good shot of him. Alright, so now I want to take you and get you a good shot of this other pond over here. Okay, I want to overfly these turtles out here. See, there's turtles right in front of us. Let me see how close I can get before they dive off into the water. At least I got one left. There he is. Oh, he just dived off. Okay. Alright, so he couldn't handle it. I'll bring you over here towards the fountain. Show you a little bit of that. And there you go. Alright, now, so about the only other thing I know to show you is the parking lot area over here, so we'll do that. Alright, now I'm going to go on up and show you the parking lot. And we'll go down to where I'm parked at. Alright, you see the baseball fields over there. Alright, I think the last thing I want to do is fly up through here and just take a look at some of this. Bit of a look at that building. Alright, that should be a pretty good view. Alright, that should do it. So I'll go ahead and just kill this thing, and hopefully you've enjoyed this, and we can try something else a little later with it, and everything should be good. So until then, we're going to call this thing quits. Hope you enjoyed it.